Mugomo ywa mabisa bogima yoambiririe ntuku ya Alhamisi ya kiume kithiru na yoambiririe nyuma ya boko ya ntuku 14 thirikari ya county ithire bathikira na ntuku betre mugomo nirio county secretary kiambia there wandikire mabisa babarwa yobera bayeta mugomo ndi mendikithia yonthe yaraba kwenda yatumba kuingwa ni thirikari ya county na ntuku yoro mabisa ba ni barethire bakibwithia maandamano kana ba protest mwanka obisine nene cia gavana wa county ya Meru na bawa batitikiria wita na mbere kunyamara na thirikari tite na mbere lakini ndumburiri na wa barabure bo batendelea kundumu gavana Ruto ngerie na erono ibyo byo ngo bamanisha batendelea na mbere kurutira Meru ngwe gavana Kawira Ruto ngeriene lakini ukirorwa ri ndina mwandiki munene wa clinic officers Rwangino Meru Moses Bayenia no mo barabethirite be mustari no yombere kuthetira mathina ya madaktari ba kulukira na thinira Rwangiro ngimo rukulukira ndene ya county Meru kethe tutariria moya mendikithira bakwenda ya ingwa na ni itumi ya mendikithia ya taingwa ni thirikari ya county ya Meru na Willy Robo ane bureko ntuku ciitite na mbere no as you speak sibitari cionthe cimwingi ndene ya county ya Meru itina rigitani na utungata bwite na mbere kinyano wanini harani rabatu kulukira 40188 ni namba yetu SMS tu live kuri Facebook tu live kuri YouTube na kuri TV kura wendete ya Weru karibu tuethire tuita na mbere na rwariro mwanka thenya chirukire karibu sana bwana daktari.
Thank you very much Endward.
Ni ato Ismail bwana na inda bone rero by the way tona protest ya mabisa bogi marenge protestation yenu ya kuma sibitari mwanka county headquarter borare kuibu ingi Meru
Twingi mono
so the nine daktari
kampera batu dotrine tuwa tutiundumu gavana te wathanine turawira tutiundumu batwi gavana Kawira iturongoira.
Okay,
it was nonto batwi kampera kankwire Martin itumbeta kutha twina thina nyingi muno ndene department yetu kagita kanene muno kurikana nya itarakira itu itwari na thina tiendene department na wayabo kira itu chamana tienu tukaria tuwetikanirie antu baba kada kuingia bora tuwetikanirie na governor. Unfortunately Governor Kawira even a single day tutambo chamanianwe mwananchi na kurikana kwire to mochoa na nyamo ngata TV ne to goito kwenda kuona Governor Kawira lakini governor tombo chamania batwi na thinira nene twina cio bwana Endward ikwethira staff beto bari uma ku bari retire bange bagakua bange bakari sign na kutena replacement. For example, Deputy Speaker Meru clinic officer arisignere aita siasene ata replacewa tutone ne employment governor ai hukuma the last employment yetu the 2020 governor Kiraito eko baraba onde bezitete kuma 2020 mwaka 2020 otinyo momba kwether kireplacewa daitu na 74 facilities tina staff omo pa facility watiri ma staffu ndene tibitarira nwe ukwaya na ndawa chachamo no kwaya na ndawa ile cha kawaida no kuandika na ndawa no kuandika report na kwenda kwa mchamani yako bindi weta akainga tibitani nikaendeta mchamani. We can't continue that way. Aya twete level 5 watu mawondi mwako ye na either na aje almost 70 80 ndo atri metanda kina aje badatu the moment ratu na aje baba inge ndene itanda ora na nasi no monde ne utuko kuketha kwina mwaje kwenda kuyote tati station to for example kona mwaje na kwenda na ko lose live kuyote tati station ya kwa tetheria wona kethera wa muchokia utemya kutangu iwenka ugetha wina ya onto ya aje boba ile ikumanisha ukadeal na omwe urote kumba ko deal anwe uonge omwe metha. We can't supervise death anymore in Meru County. Another thing Martin Endward ndawa gavana naonekana akita ko distribute ndawa rimo na rimo ukalilia budget ile budget ya ndawa na ira gavana announce it ina financial ya kureta ite utali they doesn't tally ndio batoto ichioria mbeti ingi tiotiaruka inaiweta na tutena ndawa chikungana ndene machibitari kengi nakio i promotion Gavana na uite within 100 days yaomba kuthurwa aketha ki promote health workers bonthe thai twi miaka eri twi mwaka yo ithatu atwitite budget ithatu budget ya mbere atwirire i budget ya kiraito atiomba ku promote ni untu kiraito ata budget for promotions twetera bwithia we ili utibia kire ya ithatu utibia requestite
but akiarikiri price I think last week David akiwa sibitari chonde china ndawa nera antu bawe bathiulunke bamwe feedback sibitari chonde china ndawa how kana governor ameochetha na uturo bwantu na kurantu kwina ndawa na number 2 ni randu ria natemiro in ria KEMSA as we speak.
I think it is around 84 million 84 million irandu ratu ina reditiri whereas budget ya last year kalile kim budget ndalilirie ria aretete supplementary budget it was spent to the last coin lakini walilia ndawire chi announce in the public ireti ithaburirite kuingiana completely to ina irandu KEMSA ukoria ina bet iretire whereas walile ki supplementary budget bet ini chitete they have spent all of them aya ria twabati kwitha tukirera ndurira itobati kureta supplementary budget ekure lakini otikcho chekiri cha kuria ndawa to yake the budget bata included
no okay akothero tembe cha kura ndawa na hospitali tina ndawa but tukona gate ni ya hospitali itukona rangini wa hospitali how comes hospitali tina ndawa daktari na itukona kwi mantu yako butho kiri hospitali
batwe nikyo tumekuona twimogomo Edward kwina a lot of priorities ira thirikari yetu ni otha hii na chio ti priorities ira chikuchinjia health system kana health service ni delivery na ukweta kintu iki ya muno gate mwananchi na kurikana nkiko ndo muri ndariritie mantu ya gate ndaririe staff ira ringa transfer meru level 5 staff ira what happened kana officers baba ringa transfer bonde ba budget rate 1.2 ya wakangeti level 5 1.2 million berwa ilazima budhana ni project yeki specific person baware bobote ombekana baringo transfer nda mwananchi na kurikana bo indarite kiwero TV news ba kuringo transfer bonde kotwikana project yeka rutoke chibitari iko ke county yoma 1.2 ya 4.8 million wengo nyawa etara Edward no tale mayare ya kitangitira yatekwa na lori imwe ugatala chuma ire itumirikite ichuma itekwana I think nyawa twetete
you are talking of gate level 5
yes ukaliria the cost ya 4.8 na ngitire yaki they don't marry na uketha ngiti yani kuma 4.8 then I think utimu tobati waka nyumba maia Kenya because it's an expensive affair if that is kukethibo pricing igathikario so ngitire it is not worth the 4.8 million. 2 kwina rangi wa kondene hospitali chetu dispensary ria watiri makwena nasi umwe rangi ya kwa millions and millions of money ukero weto osign we project ye kuthira na almost a million plus na rangi yake no nyango kona rangi wakwa it is not worth nyayo tukwa batwe Edward thina chetu tawira batwe ithine rangi ngutikia mwanje uke owe the chibitari kinyoga the tatiri mangiti enje ukiro mai mutoke wanda okora ukanara we ngoti the chibitari enje nkona tote kore angiti ni akwe lakini nao priority tu ni riku level 5 na kiri 140 million ke the last financial year ya kuthiria monara yo remera kuthira monara yo the priority tingate nyonto bwambi uketona normal circumstance oitiri mawondine aje ba mami baile ka badatu kondi congest aje ndene tanda ni othe urgent issue ire batere kwithira governor ke address 140 million ira tia ni ache level 5 ito chabati kweta ikathiria level 5 indi congest wondi privatero ti waka gate ti waka kitchen
no Gavana na aritite onda cia mbeci tumairwa the source cia hospitali kana mbeci hospitali ikuthurani mtu kana mukenya kana mumiru nwendo ciuria mbeca iri ciuthurana cukiri cibitari ina ciita uga kuthira mutungata yetu miontu ya ndawa yatikuoneka into bia tumi bire kuoneka na cibitari bitikuoneka bana baini
ndio ande iyo mwetha inga witarie to ndio andi mutembe na nkawirwo mnu ndakwererie to yakainda koro mbere
ala
story hiyo ya kutumia mbeca the source tio ntu bwero eta ke county nini Meru County Health Act ya 2017 is very clear nini yoto twiro tumira mbeca watwika wo weta bo collect mbeca ira bo collect bo karante buri department kana bo the facility bo ka budget bo atumia mbeca chenu bo gaikia ki chief officer abo approve ii mantu atwire kuma itaramunya I don't know hii design riko governor ira ni njaro ira kuwa tutumira the source etu ndo watu twiro tumira I'm yet to learn na eta ke Meru County Health Act is very clear burambe chivatero tumira kwate at the source very clear so that is not something new na ngwetha governor atwira kwina ene mira kwa perform that na hiyo batu tukua we are not ready until to address issues ira tiendene department itureke kwithira turia tukera mwananchi twarete sheria njaru mbeca itumirike the source whereas hiyo mantu tutwira kubwithia it's not new na bado tebati utumia department ye kurongwera mwananchi kana ochwa kura itu solve issues ni ndo mwananchi arenda akinyara cibitari ombe kwithia na kuora kana thina cia ire iratwe ni witate ni kuthira lakini tio tiri mangavana ukira mantu tutwira kubwithia no kwenda kukaraka imantu yambi ya Meru
na bwana bayeni onto bunge budrite buchumbura sana ikwithirite kwina a lot of transfers motion creation igi department ya procurement barwa tiandikwa procurement officer ritoa ingi kandikwa chokwa ni onto kwithirite kwina war ya who is supposed to the procurement officer this level cibitari and especially level 5 kwithirite kwina thini
end of the level 5 ni collect a lot of money
yeah
the same with Nyambene coincidentally county secretary ingire transfer the Mendi Supuro ario after mbeche chiko ya chia NHIF almost 20 million. What a coincidence. Level 5 kuina procurement officer ororio officer u aringa transfer chief officer acho ku county secretary agaringa transfer chief officer acho ku county secretary. There's a lot of interest. I don't know. Nanga county secretary tu ronto ona no enka kyo beke kuruta ko yara ora na chief officer no atwire itumia ko na atempa kuruta ko yara ora but there's that muvurutano ikote o can transfer but local issues zira chida cheke level 5 the information you to receive it procurement is in a lot of problems onto atrima onto the officer the CEO ra atwira there are times watiri makintu kwa ordered from the department mbere nyaki kinya kia approval ni procurement ni committee orinde supplier na ile ameleta na ni overpriced ukorwe umetokea wapi kuna problems ile batero kwa lelo na so nanga gavana wengo akaira officers bawe bire tumyo kuringa transfer unge amuchokia that's a problem aya itere kwa na change of chief officers. There's a land of level 5. County secretary one the accounting officer. You are the chief officer in another department. When so many accountants in then a department, but a chief officer from another department, no accounting officer level 5. So there's a lot of interest level 5. There's a lot of money which is collected at level 5.
Bonge bwana Bayeni, as we speak right now, ukiakolelia crewage bill ya Meru kuringana na ripoti ya Auditor General ni kuonekana wage bill ni titina rate nene sana babo for the longest time possible ibwithirite gwe complain buto promoter deduction chenu ite kwa remittent so Mumeru na utiuria why wage bill yitie health officers but promote maybe and other workers ba county whereas Governor na wite na kweria burabu ontheomba utira wage bill ne kwinama
and what they send in public tibo karika in reality. Let's take an example. Kuma governor Ukuma already held workers over 200 and something. He visited the system.
200?
200 and some, almost 250 there.
No replacement?
No replacement. Muchara yuna yuta. Ukalilia budget ya mwaka wa mbere governor Ukuma mwaka yo ele mwaka yo ethatu otiro governor yaua ki salary ra turarianio ni rena mena mungana yo. There's no day. So batu kintu kimunya kia tukuria Edward yes.
Yeah.
Tukua maybe salary ya Meru County ni kure nyingi mono. But who are these people being paid? Iba unengweri kuba kuruta. Mwananchi wa kawaida ndio akawa ataweza tu for example kuona accident. Utoa kinyati mao level 4 uirwa Meru County tukora mucharo mwingi ndio we utiona huduma. It's not possible. Na dinera tu niera nene wanendu ante uketoka analyze salaries ile iko in budget ukaliembetira in terms of kila kikurewa the real salary ya nini ya Murtiongwe ikidogo sana, lakini watini mara kwina hiyo itanga accommodation kuchi wito sijui traveling and what each on them ano tiatalero ki recurrent expenditure na ibon to kona recurrent expenditure is so high. Aya tueteke when budget ira kurokatwa ya supplementary budget chekiri accommodation chekiro sijui mauta fueling sijui what na becheba watatumira for 3 weeks almost 20 million 30 million chitumika ki accommodation ukoria accommodation ya 20 million ina kama within a week no witite koma masaa moya hakora 20 million in a week. So kuna kintu kitawa budget and corruption. Salaries ni budget and corruption iko happen in so many institutions na no mwanka lazima dhaimu wananchi alele anje scrutinize wewe wituira kwena budget and kwena accommodation ni witite ina witite kuria mbeche hii kwena pandie mwira Martin ebatero kuri wa staff tuina chorea ndi quota wothe abo complain oti mtu ona pandie kuma gavana kawira ra kuma ketha kwichiri awa we don't know who are paid ni friends watu ina baba tuira pandie baba teona ukoma rawa hata somewhere kuna baba kikoska we have colleagues but are even up to date lakini watakirecord maybe they are paid
na besiri kuona kana ichiarirwa kri report ya ndo tanjero na chiumre ata very kuona kana yesi kusio chiare ni increased chiongelwa ina chiumre who are paid.
That is now the question ya executive boy na mbechiwa wiki but now batu kila kitu mitatugoma Martin ni Andwande ni kwethira kukethea staff iba ku exit kindene department ya health but iko replace. We are headed in a dangerous path. Nunto ugatima tu ina hospitali nyingi mono lakini uti ina staff. Ukalile budget the current budget ira governor ikirie ndene assembly na request 90 million chia waka dispensary ingi yo tukuri uketha na 74 dispensaries it fully functional itina staff bakugana no kuromba another 90 million waka another dispensary inokaruta staff no tekwenda kwandika. We are eating every day. Anto bako resign every day kwe bako retire.
Tote kwenda kuongela wage bill Meru.
But now Martin Ndwande, if today let me use you as an example.
Yeah.
Wewe na mchara ukuyore every month. Ukarisign na arua tikumaanisha budget yekwe eteo. Budget yekwe rio mwaka ete wethera budget ya mwaka irio ya mwaka. So ukezitithai replacement yeku accountant ate wate kuya titocho budget ya ngambi Ndwande na mchara yes to replace immediately na mtu endelee nambi na mchara yora ayo it is the same thing basta babo mete 200 and something salary it is there their budget line is already existing. So our question is the mtu designer ina mchara yora yuita go the boteko replace where do you take this money? Secondly utombo to ira wage bill it is so much ya tokinyaki healthcare lakini tokinyaki political appointees it is not there. Itukuona kwenye onkuibwa na ki impeachment ya ngambi kwa na 100 and something. Why does governor need 111 staff de hospitali tu ina mtu momo ita staff hiyo ku oyo ki 20 muchara yukuri antu babange bonthe 70 angambi uike ki kwandika mandaktari nyonto when does a governor need staff ya 100 and something ria mwajiroka kinya cibitari ati ono ndumera batairu kuona. Our priorities must be right.
I heard someone argue that babwe kabu kwenda kuandamana muno bukienda kwethia rights cienu tutsira above others no tuko na department ingi nya cio maybe te kona cio bathetera lakini babu na union ikieto miboto mabuma street ine na kuthirete every time bukandamana nambi kababwe maybe just to ask, do people feel babu kabu is special na onto kwena bangi nyabo maybe bo ko da bata promoter kwena other departments lakini why you always
Edward ya katiba yetu ya 2010 niombe ku change the dynamics ya employee relationship na kwetha batu twina kayuka kwaria ite utumiki batu itu bye nangure matin ndimo nimbuma ya thairu kiriro tuchamani ya chief officer omwe rukiriro ngavana kawira ahambira mutano changu ikira ngari mauta wite na uitite nibo kwaria mbi boya so kwethira baba tena union ya kubaririe tikumanisha bo batina thina tu
so baba bo kwaktia voice ya bangi
ria tukowa statutory deductions tia remittance teacher workers aki eche kila mtu meande ne department ni ria ite ya remittance tia baita ba ubacha ule ba ATL workers to tikia iche kila mtu tu ite tukwariria ria tukwariria promotion demo kinya baba ginya pona erawo ukona ria ringi tukua kutena ndawa ndene cibitari titu tutagunywa ndawa tuteandiki tunya ndawa ira cionthe tui mandaktari icha mwananchi wa kawaida so ria tuko tena ndawa imwananchi wa kawaida tuitate tukuthetera tu department yetu is a very critical department ukali education security na health ikethifilite there's no country nonto ria mutakethia ati healthy utiumba kueta ate kuruta ngui na ria utiumba kuruta ngui our economy fail na ria batu tukauwa ikwethia kwena proper mechanism kana structures tia department ya health kwethia service iri kwa offered iri affordable iri accessible na quality and what station is not a station without the quality no yo bukaandika antu ba media bathomete bene nya masters na degree lakini aketha ate offer quality service there's no media like that the same way service ya health uketha tutukwa a quality service in the department ya health utira mwaji omiro akatetheka ndio batu tukua kukethra tutena enough staff personnel tutena quality service nonto imagine daktari urokethra kuma January kuma Monday to Friday every day na gutangwe kwena burnout na batu tumera akiri tutitumera inye mwiri tutumera akiri ya mtu akethra nano yakiri wena ina burnout kumanisha atiomba kurutangwe ba kubateri ndo ya otiri mewewe ina malaria lakini uninkoona cancer wina cancer nkona wimba bo kawaida nyonto akiri yako nino ine tena kanya kambi kakuthugania na ankwire Edward kwena so many cases nyingi mno tia tu for example cancer yoembe yotianie rioke ya hospitali otirimende na ombera wena nchoma tena kanya ya ori gothikira no ndina line nene ndininga na ndari akuthiriria antu hapa ndeba kauambu banjire kuringa thimu hapa na pale daktari jamalize otrime daktari enda kuthira ngila ini so okay uwe wina nchoma wandiko chenchoma wite kwena thina ingi ndibi inene winio so oteomba kwa treated umara hospitali we satisfied thina tia kuikuthira tionde na kingi nakio Edward wage bill ipa kwariria bakiwa wage bill ni nene wage bill itu riba bandiki thai waita kuria ngari waita wa park ngari ku town ogatirima antu ba revenue bakeya 10 beita kuria ngari imwe ku kama tete kalam ku karamu ku uyuku there are so many of them okalilia budget ya revenue board almost 350 million 340 million it's your salaries it's employees to that department at the end of the year by collect yana 360 370 380 so tutumile 340 million to collect 40 million and the reason why that wage bill is that way wenu ntuwe na muthako kuo political appointee kwenda andiko permanent aikuko ko revenue so toyuria antu ndene revenue ndene cibitari chetu na kwina important service na critical service in delivery tutikwenda kwandikana to daktari bandiko kwina wage bill lakini ora kenda ko reward ya political appointee wabaike this other side na hivyo ntu kuona munya no atutire turi around 2000 employees ba department ya health na ki this 2000 total you are I think 3500 total employees ba Meru County. Today we are 6500 a great surge ya employees ba ndene Meru County. Batu tukulalamika employees ba department ya health ba resign wakaritaya utoko replacewa agriculture officers ba agriculture nini department I don't know whether even kwebonya ba ikwetha ini onto bonde auto replace on to nene and that. So the critical services iri batero kwethikio ya offered itikwandikirwo staff lakini otrima political appointee onto mtu ai form 4 liver aikoko ko revenue then wage bill ikaitia. So tutumba batu kuendelea tukiwa wage bill it's your problem of that you have created. Ours is to say itukwenda service chiambi cha health chithikia ya delivered bribery
mbitikite nthome SMS nkai and then tucoke kirirwa ria kwina mtu wetwa James Mwirigi aliwa daktari wa Meru mlifanya vibaya kugoma budget bando ijapitishwa na hiyo budget ilikuwa imeangalia mahitaji yao promotion na mengine asoka kwa daktari Boyenia hii shinda mnaona Meru si eti kwa Meru peke yake ni ya Kenya mzima kwa hivyo mnafaa kuvumilia. Dennis Kidinji good morning Edward. Say to Dr. Moses Boyenia, I want to thank him for standing with the healthcare providers and specifically UHC. He is a true servant of the people. We hope the county government can find a way of confirming the UHC to PNP. Ask Moses also what next for UHC staff after missing from the recently passed supplementary budget. Ken Kabiksa, our doctors strike is pained by cartels in Meru. Tell Boyena to deny that on TV. He knows very well that is being funded to sabotage the government, especially this time. Deslos Kakawa kabisa kiongozi salimia Boyenia mtetezi wa wanyonge kindly issue ya Karama dispensary inafifia kabisa ile maternity ifunguliwe. Asoka Kakawa he has confessed that someone as a CEO has found his car. When we say they are being funded, we know what we are saying. Are you being funded to strike?
I think baba kwa to funded iba torote baba to fund nyango irio muno to funded. Secondly, Edward manto union to tanjire na arua tanjite kuma onda kumeka union 2015. We have been pushing these issues. Another thing, ntiraiwa governor can deny wa thini yetu gothete uti thini irio.
In fact atari.
So uketha na itu kwa funded. Iba produce wa to fund nyo kwanza wa to fund. We can be very happy we are struggling
with life. So kuna kiure kiukia Dennis Kithinje. Kiukia Universal Health care. So mandaktari bau iba miss out kid supplementary budget. So maybe Babwe Bore Union any plan for these people?
Edward to push for this stuff and unfortunately baturia to kwariria manto ya staff momo mandene sibitari baba UTC baba no na mochara baba tekuru mochara yo baterwe na reto kuwa itwe twina ni employment kinya replacement liko bwithwe governor na bateri kuona anto iba ku offer service extraordinary in an extraordinary circumstances baka convert into permanent and pensionable kuna opportunity the staff waba na one pa UHC ndene ni around 250 tuka replace nabo baraba ezite the key permanent and pensionable we can be doing justice to them unto trima mtu hospitali wenka na ngwira kuruta ingwe enyinge mono alafu walilie mchara yo akuriwa kitu duni kabisa. So governor kya kwa mwanaru akawa UTC staff wika replace na batumire ku replace baraba ezitite itakuwa kitu rahisi sana. Nyo tunya kiraba ketha bakiongele kintu kidogo muno. Kingi nayo kwina kiure kingi kya Karama
dispensary.
Niombu mete Edward Karama. and I feel a lot of pain. Otrime mwarochia, my mother, my relatives were around here, but take one services cha maternity. Reason being, kutina staff bakungana. Maternity tumba kuran. Na tikara make maternity tekulutangui. Kwena maternity nyingi mno. An example, kwena theater Mudhara. Munyatire waka fully equipped, kila kitu. One of the best theaters in the Meru County. It's not functional. Not within staff. Kwena Mekumbune, kwena Timau, kwena Egembe Central na to in the highest population in the Meru County. Tutina functional theater. Tutina functional maternity. Tutina male ward. Ugaita yoembe. So many facilities charikiria wakwa. They are not functional to tutina staff. So not unless Martin Edward thirikari yetu ya matura ya Meru County ya mue kethira ni kwenda kuserve mwananchi kawaini bora kubaterwe kanete kwenda kuserve mwananchi na whether bate kwenda kuserve mwananchi but we are ready ito chokwe national government nikenda thini chionthe ikomba kwarirwa na nkwire one of the biggest problem twinyo bwana Edward guku ituri na tauria ngavana tha karirwe watatone kumara thuro no tukumara thuro like let's borrow a good practice. Omabe governor no Gladys Wanga ekuthurwa aitere unions akaranthi abo abori nthakati ya kombire ni thina cienu ira butwire mbi nacio bandikania abacho solution abera no twende bwina thina mpeni nya suggestions cienu watumbike witate ku solve thina akaranthi na executive akaranthi na union paka map with a road map how to solve those issues. Today kato tete mwaka ya dato governor ntichange nyani chwethi to exist as unions twereti omucho atakaranthi abatwi. Another thing then department to karanthi na chief officer ya CC to suggest how we can solve issues then department yetu to prepare very nice documents report ye ikwendene ya kiyo itawa nini Chirak county secretary wa manto yate na raka ikakando laito kwariria tutite mugomo ira county secretary twandikira barua twira manto yato kuira yatumba kuingwa mbere twita mugomo itwari na muchamanio chief officer wa finance atwira kutina budget there's no budget ya babwe ya manto ya ni ya resolved gavana umira na aka kwina budget yeteretwe na nkwira Edward kuketha ya my brother kwenda na andika wa kwina budget ya tutere na arua gavana nete arute received copy ya budgetary estimates ire ikiri assembly kuketha kwina request ya promotion kwetha kwina request ya employment bado ka apologize na sochoke ngwina they never requested. County assembly ne atwete 200 million ki county fiscal strategic paper leo ko prepare budget wanjira na county fiscal strategic paper ukaset ceiling assembly ne to set ceiling ne to 200 million they were not enough lakini bado to we are satisfied maybe progressively not with better bakiongela budget to yake presentation ya estimates budgetary estimates executive ita presented with even a single coin oteke ba presented ku request assembly kwa kuna those crises better negotiations unfortunately antu baba negotiate ba assembly na banga bana kawira
ala
ina murogo chwari she's a member of the committee ina chairman ya budget yare mwirigi by with the negotiations by tikiria branga bana uaruta mbeche hiyo cherutwa bareta anini a negotiated document ki negotiated.
Are you saying budget ya county ya Meru ni compromise roe ni some members ba county assembly para berutero governor
ipo better negotiations beta baruta 200 million ya to ekiri assembly actually 200 million ya kitha ke budget bato tikita mugomo na ito etikaniriria department to tobera watu with this 200 million let's try to one kwetha no tombe ku solve some issues nikienda tuomba kwethira tuita progressively budget wingi twari tona nimbi bombe kia kwa allocate. Unfortunately mwidigi bayo wita negotiations etikaniriria na executive baruta 200 million today as we speak budgetary estimate cha kurukirwe itina anything ya department twina appropriation bill ire batero now ku actualize the estimates. First stage ne korokirwe otikireo, second stage ne korokirwe, second reading sorry, first reading na second reading otikireo, twetete third reading, so twira twetera third reading no otikireo, kira kireo ni some members ba move it an amendment out of their own, kwanza netinya baba supporting governor. So I don't know ketha governor ile barire na ithile bera na iki estimate nini amendment kenda appropriation bill ikorokwa ibatonia how they talk to me to me ithile I think ni ithile o baba teko supporting governor ibaba ikiti amendment ikenda ikirambia. So with governor ruma atwira etereni budget budget yo twira twetere utikyo gikiri nikenda ni assembly ikorokio twira ene MCA batakorokirie, so etereni another budget year. It is the same thing happened last year. Tia to kubithia manto ameru. The same thing last year. Twetera to move with the speed twetera to arania na department to aja ku develop cost implication and what have you na to prepare report. Twerwa ikangeni report yen kenda assembly iombo consider your location. To petition. You remember very well assembly ne kurokiria wa executive in the next financial year iba allocate mbia tiambi cha promotion and employment health workers. Batutu now it's okay no tu budget ya governor ya mbere katumwe kanya ka implement kinyatha otwatenye chiringi isawa it's okay katwetera mwaka yoyonge ka budget itite okorokwa otikyo kireo mea matintia to live in a moon to it in the earth now. So whatever governor kuwa kwina budget na merite in the public ona ni budget ira requested assembly kuketha ko ya requested na batu traumire ni itumi nimbi traumire ni onto iturane budget ketite okorokwa na otikyo kimbi otiyo kireo anto bawe azi kirikiro mbori kethe ba compromise. It is true chairman yethe chairman mtu governor ri na kile king governor no to atere budget na assembly ra korokitie na to ambira to compromise. So strike it is catastrophe of mwirigi na executive.
Right. Now, utubonge bugomrete burua babu utemewa access utungata bogi bomwere atine hospital because yaka babu butiri hairwa kandi chenu choke bomwere. And I remember last financial year ibo allocated 320 million choke tamantu yenu ya utungata bogi bomwere. Then what happened? Beti yare budgetine kagwa karere ate bwana bayene because I don't understand where budget is allocated and then babu boeta kuchotunga tabogima puti kuona krisipitari mwanya ndene ya Meru or anywhere in the country.
Edward, the problem insurance ya comprehensive health cover ya njiriye 2014 ndene Meru County na Governor Munya 2014 mwanka kireito ma 2022 tutetha tuna thina insurance ichachinja natia but you have never had a problem. In fact, even the last time ya Kreito akiuma mtu wa insurance hii mtu wale wa a very high ranking person kithirikari we. Lakini immediately thirikari the current government hii hukuma insurance unit twikita with elephant to take over services. Currently ira twinio ya Kenya Lands otichi bitari kinyemwe kwa ya na services in Meru County. The reason being batikorea weto bauria bakawa kuna issues by national executive. So bechi chi allocated ibatwere a service provider lakini service provider atekumba kwa na service. So na ngau twetatoria service provider na private ba negotiate that agreement but exactly what is happening inside there nto there is no single facility tionde icha suspended kotumira that insurance scheme nto but you are by with their services about treat lakini at the end of the day they are not paying their money.
Brady of follow up maybe kumenya ina ambeti tienu tieta.
And I think mantinya to no yo kethe ne amura kwa white elephant kwa the nyo the white elephant ya tongianto we are tired ibonto nyo kona tote omiariri nyamno we are tired nonto nerere 8 elephant ya this regime.
White elephant means mbeta tienu chanyura ro, right?
Yes. Now, okay, the any budgetary allocation and want never take with the value. so uketha batu utekwa na services then bechi itina value na ni oto ni wait elephant you are located money in the budget but services urobatere kwa the consumer atekwa na service irabatere kuona so it's just a wait elephant ni unto you pay the service provider atek na take claims au ikirwa no claims ira ikiritwa atekorea so baram na chivitari chiri around bona utena aja bendelea kuona losses na whereas insurance company itikumparia.
Let's come to this. Ikwithirite kwina mantu ya maingi muno ya irabo with intimidation, wario ka threatened either ukarigo transfer, and I'll begin with you. Nwithirite wikulukira those issues from one hospital, from one location to another working station. So vitisho bi ibiniete kana bando kwina po kirwa ukero kari no ntubo 1 2 3.
I think the only banarombikia transfers untukuma in the last 2 years imbetete transfer most either to inya chianga na kawera Kenya na ikitu ndo moru but in that recording na judgment inaomba kumira na judge inaomba ku rule that it was illegal kuringo transfers at that rate so maybe out of that judgment issues chia kondinga transfer maybe they are now ibekira at oppose ni unto there's a judgment which is against kuringo transfers at that rate. Okay, intimidation T3 kwiba kwa intimidated nyambene si ora wariko na ringo transfer with immediate effect ora moringa transfer county secretary batu ito twira kithirikari chia matora kuma ngavana munyare ariko utino county secretary arutana na department indi kuturinga transfer in then department never. So the moment you on a county secretary no kuringa na transfer and even you are told the county health management team they were not aware transfers imwe ikiringwa pa kinya baba ochiona ikiya so kuketha we county secretary utikara nthi na department uboria how can we manage health care kinya they were the hand of public service you should not micromanage because the moment you micromanage the department it means you intimidating. County secretary is a very senior person who whether akiringana transfer kana ki cancel the transfers till level 5 ito arena administration on the CEO na resign kacheri the reason being intimidation itara munya kwa arena CEO mwenanga I think endelere appointed to director ata resign itara kirito the same thing kirim Dr. Kirimi are CEO weka appointed to the next level tia resign for the first time then department yeto ya head it was the hina CEO level 5 resign from job because of intimidation.
So county secretary na hukumira kirima ntu ya kana reason ya county secretary hukumira kirima tu ya kubutana either kuringa na transfer na bigire sipitari imbi
kikyo kyurio ombekyo moria amuri na kuita nayo but for us
ndenda muno muri but atenda munyeka mwitate ya anyway
for us is intimidation by the way no to county secretary ukaitha kwina mtu kwenda kuringa transfer kana ringo transfer kwina chief officer una that mandate allow the chief officer rutanguira but the moment the county secretary ukanjiria kuringa na transfer hapa na pale in fact yangu ile there is a time tochamani na in charge wa theater atuira she was surprised achamani na mtu yite ndene theater mwira county secretary antomira
direct.
So for us our request is that uketha kwina any issue county secretary na the nature that we na chonde department county secretary can to solve these problems it is very fast akaenda solve these problems and akaeka ku micromanage department department come up with the proposals and the strategies to solve the issues it is very easy lakini the problem manto ya kinyamwari na yawe na anga intimidate staff it will not address the issues ilibatero kwa addressed.
Kiri former regime and I quote Karaito Murungi ikwari na manto ya advocate kura na murimo ya cancer na kware to kinya oncologists au level 5 na kwina mountain run yethera ichangie kiri manto ya yonde how is cancer treatments faring in Meru County?
Cancer treatment ni Endwand itianjira iria ara wina cancer.
Yeah.
Yanjira iria we umara narwo ukinye cibitari tuwe for example mami betu ka mwaro cia kakinyara kera daktari ndene dispensary ndina kawimbo anyontone. From there amura kawimbo ka itobuthirio kithimi kinana yeta that process monke ka identify nimbi ikansa. Kwena nyumba yana screening ire butha tendene hospitali cietu wakinyara uko wenkwenda kubuthio vya vili ukabwithirwa ukonekana pone kwena suspect kwena anything team mzuri ukarifa wogeta kubuthirwa other test robate kubuthirwa. But now let me ask you Edward, mwekura wita ina dispensary ina nasi umwe nasi no kwa yana chachamo no kwandikanira no kwa yana dawa no kwa yana report aina muchani manyo ya staff we bobangi bokasho bawe nabo kwena kasho tare wa muchana na hito mutheti una umuria na atia aina mukuro we na mwekuro we aina ana haibo muringa thimo mami itakara utene nyakanya wita kubwithia screen ukabwithia maybe services iro kumba kubwithia iya screening obere babu ntomba witata ubwithia screening. So utrime mwekuro in the village uroko bati benefit from screening then dispensary flani atomba kwa screen riaga kinya cibitari it's already ria murimo yukurire rio yukurire we kinya level 5 ukerwa oncologist na resign we kinya cibitari arora ki cancer center to wiro nurse baba reo ibadatu umwe na resign na etera America bati wabaile. So service iro ko bati kwa quality service we a cancer victim kana a suspected cancer patient utomba umeona ni onto to ina challenges jetu on this side na ito arena kukoria kiuria ka mountain run. I think mountain run it is in the public arena. What happened, it was a nice initiative yanjiri twinga bana kiraito ira yari finance in terms of bringing more resources me then department ya health kwena kintu kito financing no batere ko pool resources chia nikienda kwamba kwa na service one kwena donor fund yonto yewo atirima paube ya cancer run kwena antu bandonate money kwena allocation ya government kwena insurances kwena NHIF and so many other ways umbika ku pool funds. So the moment ya cancer run yomba ku pool those finances ichomba othere one or another maybe kura ndawa kura machine those issues cancer run you know what happened that money tote umeona dhai. So kumaanisha cancer services in Meru County they are not to the expected levels ilipatere kwethirire.
Cancer center operational,
it is operational but not to the expected levels. Not it enough staff, it enough machines. Two, tutibatere kuwa ni onto chemotherapy peke yake ni anjira kwa no hitera mgavana Munya chemotherapy yake tukanjiria. Why should we not bring radiotherapy ndene cancer center yetu anto twika mwajira tukwana na ko radiotherapy tumuike Nairobi turete that machine twanje kwa na that offer services here. Another thing twina St John's babe tubapati kwetha baki tu for example no kwenda surgery St John's babe twina bo they are demotivated bama bata promote bama bari ya mtu nuntu aina loss of morale atina that atina na nje kurutangwe tu ukita tu for example kwena patient bakwenda kupithira operation we kinya wondine we even in depression ka we na stress ino tori halili aje baku braba thini kire in one bed batena nasi bakungana ukita theater no kwenda kupithira operation maybe uruta a growth fulani ya mwaji o cancer uitokero anesthetist batekungana naro tukitha ka theater ya muthare kurutangwe tutrima St John's betu ba moba itakubithiria mbi operations ko atrima mwajire akwatekana na cancer na bati ku benefit kuma na kubithirwa password lakini ni ontobwa congestion level 5 ayuke mori yomoka ayuke meri ile cancer itakubithirwa ni kurire daktari akona ari kuringa nore kurire twa mitonga ringi akure nyankoroki. So mwaja twika ria kubati abithirwa ni surgery atabithirwa na ata benefit na kwa hivyo cancer atrima kuria mtura.
Okay. Now, the nature nutrition that you persist for the longest time possible. what do you think ya representative wa mwabisa bokima thina ichenu ikathiro imbi
thina chetu ikathiro kwetha political goodwill na kila mbombikia kuria gavana wetu ora to supportira muno akienda ukumetina na twite akaranthi abatwe bureaucracy nto kinya bwanjiriria manto drone department po kinya samwa yakaruthiriro tutikumethia nuko ya instructions kano na akaranthi abatwe batu twina problems ya twina suggestions watu because of manto ya but as long as the executive na the political leadership ya Meru County ite willing tukendelea na thina persist no ukethira gavana ati kwenda kukaranthia batu solve issues akiukuma tena na wite level 5 na kwenda with national government tumwira ndi level 5 ti onka na thina thana ni department on the level mbi ki national government
na mugomo ibambiririe Thursday ibo bangite kuthira mugomo yo kana boeta bugendela mugomo yo mwanka maybe the longest time possible kana what's the plan about the strike no to health sector ni paralyzed then ya county mzima what's the next plan kiri strike ye
bati to yana demands neto yana issues iri batere kuigwa na timanto Ameru imanto twetikaniritie tariki 17 November 2023 na yari na timelines ya batere kuingwa bwa muthia bati kuingwa July ne thirire no tibo boingwa na baturi atwite mugomo the executive ni abati otwita so far kuma twita mugomo bata twita apart from atrona TV na bakelen kana bakiwa tito tere budget nyeteo mwanka tukaranthia abo twitikaniri tukaranthi na executive tukaranthi nini le assembly reo twirane batu issues cia Meru cheso over this way mugomo kendelea na twi mugomo na utingwe kendelea mwanka that day
executive take mwaka bwendelea mugomo even if it takes a year the strike goes on
yes then katiba county government ni batere ku offer services to health bado tukua twina thina it is upon the executive to take the political step kana take that goodwill by the way na goodwill ya solve those issues but align their choices bado tinoto we thina wakarangi ndene hospital ni thina twini ndene department otinoto uwa twananga bana kirura kioroke muno na tuivoya ndene level 5 lakini ndene level 5 thina rero tikioro itrone ibakete a very nice gate otinoto uwa thina level 5 in gate thina level 5 ihonto kwetha tutina nasi bakungana tutina ward specials ira kwa law aje bathe bakwa treated burako baterwe icho thina ireo so batwe kira tukwenda kubwithia na kira tukuwa bwana Edward government ni realign their priority areas panjire ku solve issues pe methene twirane thina chetu ni untu twina thina 1 2 3 ika solved this way and this way and this way lakini ira watu andike baro twire your demands are untenable then there's no goodwill.
All right now tukirike mubango because our time is up kiri Ameru baraba toleletie because baribo be trained either by you na thirikari rapo kwenda demands yenu ya meds your message kiri Ameru na kiri thirikari rapo kwenda ingement kithia
message ki Ameru mantu ya batu tukuthetera ti yetu individually ti personal untu atugwa mandaktari ongelo ti batu twaita witreat twingwa iyo treat mwananchi wa kawaida so it's upon mwananchi wa kawaida atutetherie nwe twire thirikari yetu ni realign their priority areas ki the executive kato baromba na tuba kunyenyekevu tukuromba kunyenyekevu ibeye governor mostly kwanza governor wengwa naye ndene department akaranthi na aritiba ngugi akaranthi na officers baba wekriteo nikenda tumba ku realign to solve issues ya ndene department na mwire governor weta kienine tino thina ire utiri wa thina cionthe cia nini cia department kienine karanthi na officials ba ugima ba mwiri ba union karanthi na department na officers ba wekirite ndene department twinthe tuyena document na common pathway para to solve issues itukumenya batu mantu yatekathira within a day lakini the moment ro tuonerie utina yaro wetu we are tired.
Right. Thank you very much Daktari Moses Payenian utupokuwa na kanya kuyakiri mubango yo kukena kiri Wero TV na thank you very much kiri barabo ndeki pere kiri mubango yo kuona kinya online kuna a lot of feedback together tukethia tele mantria Daktari ba betwa na bakarande barandia ba call off strike together tuibwira strike kudrea kia call off lakini as we speak the entire health sector in Meru stands paralyzed until further notice. So tuko further notice kethiri wareka na iroyo but ni tutweta na mbere ku monitor na kumiona mantu ya kwethira ya ita na mbere kuthia tena mitandao yetu na kirinteto cietu chetha mwanja 7:30 na 9:30 together tukuone mantu uraya wita na mbere ndene account ya Meru na ndene ya Muongo yo Kenya kuma kiri mubango yo kugenga kwendera ntukwembea beta mutembera. Thank you very much Daktari.
Thank you.
Yes.